topic, since so this is a World Obesity Congress 2021, my topic is the prevalence of overweight and obesity in type 2 diabetes mellitus in Indian population, a perspective from the Apollo Sugar Clinics. And the Apollo Sugar is one of the largest sugar clinics all over India. So data, whatever we had gathered it from the all over India, mainly from the metro cities. So I'll cover this topic under the following agenda. I'll cover what the brief. I will brief regarding the obesity and how it is connected with the diabetes, the material and methods, the result, and the conclusion. So as we know that obesity is going, it's growing, and not only in India, it's worldwide. India is a growing country. Though the prevalence of overweight and the obesity is in India is increasing faster than the world average. So why this is? Because the change in the food habits, change in the lifestyle, the growing economy, stress, these are the main factor, and the sedentary lifestyle. And if you're comparing the previous, the data, whatever I gathered, the prevalence of overweight is increased from 8.4% to 15.5% among the Indian from 1998 to 2015. And the prevalence of obesity has increased from 2.2% to 5.1% over the same period of time in India. So now it is coming in the alarming condition in the mainly in the metro cities. So just how the obesity is connected with the diabetes. Obesity is one of the risk factor for the diabetes. If I'll share with the Southeast Asia region, how it is growing since in 2019, the prevalence is around 88 million, and what is the forecast is there in 2045, it will increase up to 153 million, the 74% increase from 2019. So maybe in future, in 1 in every 5 adults with the diabetes lives in the Southeast India region, basically in the India, and 1 in 4 livers are affected with the hyperglycemia in the pregnancy. And now the India is coming under the world capital of the diabetes. And this data I have said from the International Diabetic Federation, 9th edition 2019. So we know that the obesity is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Obesity and type 2 diabetes both are linked to the insulin resistance of this metabolic disorder, and which is the complication of this. It is affecting from the neuropathy to retinopathy to nephropathy and many other chronic diseases which is related to our health. Diabetes has become a global pandemic, and it's a threat for world health due to the demographic variation, the cultural differences of the society, and the supplemented by the aging phenomena as the life expectancy has increased and the burden of the chronic disease over all the patient has increased now. And one data just I had mentioned here, what is the implication of diabetes on health? This data is from the WHO. What they had reported, around 24 million cases of diabetic nephropathy already they had reported, 5 million cases of retinopathy, 6 million cases of amputation due to the diabetes. And we know that the mortality in individual with diabetes is chiefly mainly due to the cardiac complication and the MI-like thing. So in the material and methods, from 6,439 records of patients that were available in this was the data I took from the COVID era from March 2020 to March 2021, and ideally 2,548 patients were selected and extracted from the electronic medical record data. And the inclusion criteria for this study is the patient having the type 2 diabetes, who are having more than 20 years of age, having the BMI more than 25 kg per meter square, that were included overweight and obesity patients who attended the Apollo Sugar Clinic in the OPD basis that were identified and selected. The exclusion criteria for this study, the patient with type 1 diabetes, the gestational diabetes mellitus, thyroid disease, diabetes with thyroid disease, Cushing syndrome, acute MI, acute heart failure, acute kidney disease, chronic kidney disease, that were excluded from the study. And for the statistics, the cross-sectional analysis we had performed. So from this study, what the results had obtained, overall the prevalence of overweight and obesity is 39.47. It is near to 40%. That is quite alarming situation is maybe will come in the future. And the prevalence of male patient were 58.08%, and in female patient it was 42.3%. If I'll go to the male patient, which is the prevalence of overweight and obesity in male patient is maximum in the age group of the 51 to 60 years. This is a working class population is there that represent 27.9%. And if we'll compare the BMI categories, the overweight people are there 68.37%, the class 1 obesity is 23.66%, class 2 obesity is 5.85%, and the class 3 obesity is 1.78%. So we can see the figure how it is how the obesity is growing in India. Now this is the graphical representation of the BMI categories in the male patient. So 68.3% in the overweight, 23.66 in the class 1 obesity, in class 2 5.85, and the class 3 1.78 that comes under the morbid obesity condition. And now if we come to the female condition, it is also what we have found. The obesity is maximum in the age group of 51 to 60 years in the female patient also, and that was 33.64%. And the overweight category is representing the 54.87% of this data. The class 1 obesity is 30.83%, in class 2 obesity 10.77%, in class 3 obesity 3.53%. And if we're going towards the younger and the elderly group, the prevalence there in the younger group is 18.96% between the 20 to 40 years of age, and the elderly group who are more than 60 years of age are having 28.96%. Now this is the graphical representation of female patient. So overweight 54.87%, the class 1 obesity 30.83%, the class 2 obesity patient were 10.77%, and the class 3 obesity patient were 3.53%. Now if you compare between the male and the female person, it is almost comparable. That is maximum between the 40 to 60 years of age in both the male as well as in the female group. And in the younger group, in the male patient, it is 19.25%, and in the female, it is also 18.35%, and in the elderly, 29.60 to 27.71%. So almost in the female cases, also it is increasing. Now, if you compare the younger versus the elderly group, it 18.96% versus 28.96% in the elderly group. Now the conclusion, what I can conclude it from this study. We can say that overall from this study is this overweight and obesity is more in male patient, but it is almost the females are also gaining weight, and now they are overweight and obese. And the percentage morbid obesity is 2.5%. And we know that rising obesity is growing concern for many chronic diseases, and the population of developing obesity at a younger age, and it is likely that these individuals will suffer comorbidities more for longer time due to the increased life expectancy. Yeah, so this is my presentation, what is I calculated from the EMR data from the Apollo Sugar Clinic. Yeah, thank you from my side. Any questions?